Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the privacy switchboard ZIF connector and disconnect the privacy switchboard ribbon cable from the privacy switchboard. Remove the P1 Phillips head screw that secures the privacy switchboard to the top cover. Lift the privacy switchboard off of its alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Replacement. Place the privacy switchboard onto its alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the P1 Phillips head screw that secures the privacy switchboard to the top cover. Insert the privacy switchboard ribbon cable into the privacy switchboard ZIF connector and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place.